I welcome you all, and in today's video we are going to discover the most fascinating and the most powerful qualities that Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui possessed. Without understanding qualities and habits, it is impossible to know a personality. And what was the secret behind the success of Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui? You all know that Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui was born in Prialo, and you know about his graduation, his degrees, and how he established the university. But I'm going to present the discovery of his best habits, which are owned by the fascinating leaders, by committed persons in the world. He possessed so many qualities, but I tried to present an introduction to his personality, and I will try to bring forth most of things or most of the works he has done in his own life. The first quality Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui possessed was proactiveness. Means he was never a reactive kind of person. He never given reply to a criticism. Instead, he loved to give reply of any criticism, any slash on him. He replied through his services and works. He was a man who always appreciated people who love to work, and it is one of the fascinating qualities in his personality. The second approach or the second habit that he followed in his life was system building approach. Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui was a bureaucrat, and definitely he was different from all the traditional bureaucrats and officers in this country. All tried to observe the problems, all tried to note the problems, but Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui gave a system in order to solve the problems. Even when he wanted to plant something in his own university, he gave a system. He got all the people trained and then tried to establish a particular department there. Moreover, his third most powerful quality was he was meritorious and judicious. Meritorious in terms of he gave admission to the eligible candidates, he gave jobs to the eligible candidates, he himself partied in the interview and observed the quality of candidates, and we saw the same people who used to live at the surroundings of Sakka city and whole Sindh, they belonged to the villages and the rural areas. They were brought to the toppest posts owing to their quality of work, their hard working and their sincerity to the institution, and most importantly, their commitment to the professionalism. The fourth quality he possessed was put first things first. Means resolve the most important problems or work or give time to the most important things in your life, then go for the less important. He decided to establish a university that must educate, that must instill knowledge to the people who cannot afford the high fees in the world. And we see that 70% of his scholarships were given to those who were meritorious, who came on merit, and even they earned scholarships and got graduation from Sakkara University. Now they have been serving around the world, not only in Pakistan but around the world. They are working in US, in Europe, and in so many Southeast Asian countries. The fifth quality Professor Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui possessed was that seek first to understand and then to be understood. Whenever he planned to open new things, like he got the idea of community colleges and public school affiliation to the university from US when he was doing his MBA in Boston University. So he thought that I must follow this, and I must open new community colleges in Pakistan because it is a new concept and I have to follow that. So what happened? He prepared for that. He produced faculty members, administration, and all the staff, and then he opened community college. We see that first community college was open nearly in 2010 or 11, and it got admissions in 2010 and 11, and it successfully got thousands of students in it. And we are seeing that lots of students are studying in community colleges, and the admission is given on the merit basis, and they are producing the gems of this nation. The sixth quality he possessed was adaptation and creativity. Adaptation in terms whatsoever the modern technology and qualities the other institutions in the world have, we must follow that. Professor Nisar Ahmed Siddiqui sent many graduates for PhDs in European universities and in US universities. They got their PhD degrees, they returned home, and they started making new graduates, and they adopted technology as well. We see that in the field of IT and business, Sakhar IBA is one of the finest institutions in the world. And the seventh quality, the most important one that I wanted to include in this list, and even through his speeches I got this. He negated personality preaching, and he appreciated teamwork. Professor Sahab was not one of those persons who wanted keep the names of people, appreciate the people who, the personalities, means he was not a man who just supported individuals, but he wanted to give appreciation to the whole team. And that is the formula of this modern world. Personality preaching was the act done in the days of kings, in the kingdoms where the ministers were most important, where the personalities were most important. But in this nation state era, institutions are more important. And this is the philosophy of Professor Nisar Ahmed Siddiqui Sahab, that he wanted to make new institutions, and he did in his life. This is exactly what he wanted. He never kept his name after any building. If you go to IBA or any institution affiliated to Sakhar IBA University, you will not find his name written on the walls anywhere. You will not find, because he never wanted to promote this multi-edition in today's world. The eighth quality that Professor Nisar Ahmed Siddiqui possessed was the finest administration. The finest administration in terms I already included that he used to make a system first. Then he got all his employees trained. Then after, he just wanted to start a setup. Then he did. Sakhar IBA University's administration is one of the finest one in public and private sector in Pakistan. And we see the speed of their working is fine, and even they do not keep any work on the table. This is the quality of the administration system built by Professor Nisar Ahmed Siddiqui. The ninth quality was non-compromising. He was non-compromising. Even if we see whole setup of Sakhar IBA University, there is no any person from the blood relation of Professor Sahab who is on the key post in the system. He never supported his sons and daughters, sisters, nephews, brothers to enter IBA without going through a proper process. There are so many examples publicly known that he negated nepotism and all such kind of favoritism. He had a good team, and he established Sakhar IBA University. The last and the most powerful quality that he possessed, that is sagaciousness, wisdom. Indeed, he was a man of quality, and he was a wise man par excellence. Wisdom in terms, he had a vast experience of bureaucracy. He remained commissioner, and he remained assistant commissioner. He worked on the different levels of administration. So when he got retired, he was quite sure about the psychology of local people and the psychology of governments. So inspired them. He worked as per their psychology, but he got his work done. He never believed if any person comes and complains about the other person, without investigation, no step was ever taken. And this was a kingly habit, a quality that this great man possessed. I know I cannot concise his life into a single video, But the purpose of making these videos that we youngsters and all the people who are connected to internet, they must know that a person is built by his habits and by his qualities. And whatever the philosophy of a person, it should be followed after him. We have been watching that so many people have become personality preachers, but nobody is going to understand what was the philosophy of his life, what he wanted to do, and whatsoever he has done, it is before the world. We must understand his life, his qualities and habits. By understanding these terms, we will be able to build these habits within us. Because it was a message of Professor Sahab in his speech. Once he said that I have created thousands of Nisar Ahmad Siddiquis. Don't worry about my institution and my people. They love me and I love them. I have given them institutions and system. By following that, they can create a lots of Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui, and they can change the whole society by building up institutions. And exactly this was the message of Professor Sahab, that change your society by building up a proper system and keep non-compromising account of your character in it, and then you will be able to resolve the issues of this nation. Thank you so much.